Welcome to Simba'S Foods, where easy delicious meals are prepared with no oils, with no fats, with no greases, no salts, no boiling, no steaming, without using any microwaves. Simba'S Foods is a new age cooking philosophy which looks into transforming natural food into daily medicine, improving health, making people to feel and to look their best. How do we do this? We've listened and also looked at what experts say and came up with an educational program which will highlight the many issues which are essential to know when it comes to food and nutrition, really known by many people. We'll share with you how you can prepare easy delicious meals which are low in fat, low in cholesterol and heart healthy, and also share with you how you can eliminate the root causes for type 2 diabetes, obesity and these linked diseases. If this sounds like something that you want to know more about, why don't you sign up for our introduction session where we share with you what Simba'S Foods is all about, improving your health and that of your loved ones. Your health is your wealth. Enjoy your day.